Hello, good day guys. My name is Oluyemi Oni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rich Mind Graphics Lab. If you are new to this graphics lab, I want you to subscribe and click the notification button and also give a thumbs up to this video. I make video around graphics, flyers, church flyer, anything that has to do with graphics design. I'm also a motivational speaker and I do much of digital marketing, social media advert and things like that. All right, back to the matter. Now we'll be doing how to remove a background from Corel Draw. We'll be doing how to remove a background for difficult images. Now we'll be using these three samples to get our result. I will be using Drake, I'll be using Michael Jackson, you know him very well. I'll be using this beautiful lady. We want to remove the background and this will be our final result. You can see that this has been removed, the background has been removed, so that was why it is free for us to move it around. This background, this arch background, you can see I can change the background and the image still remain itself the way they were. So you can see that, so because the background has been removed. So right away let's go in. I'll be pressing Ctrl M for a new page. For a new document, just slam OK to have a new page. Now let me change the paper orientation to landscape so that I can have a very wide space for this job. Now what I want to do is that we need to have to import some images that have some background before. So I'll be using Drake here. Then we'll be using our pop star Michael Jackson, and we'll be using this lady. Okay, this is the third picture we're going to use. We can also use Jay-Z, but okay, let's just use these three because of the time. Okay, import. Now start with this. Okay, we drop that. We drop these as well. That's the shape. We're dropping this beautiful lady. We're using two examples to remove background on Corel Draw. You can use any version of Corel Draw. It's still the same thing. It's still the same procedure. So whichever version you are using, you can still get these. So we'll be using what we call shape tool to do the first method. Now clicking on the shape tool, click on this image, then you can see this node here. So I want to just reduce the size of the node so that I will restrict it to the image. Then I'll be cutting out some background doing this. So I will just restrict it to the image I actually want to cut away. Okay, fine. Okay, we got this. Now what I want to do is that, okay, we want to start from here. I like to start from here. So clicking on the shape tool, now double click to apply a node here, then drag this down to where you have any curve. And I know we have a curve here. Yes, we have a curve, we have a corner there. So double click here as well. Go to the property bar and click convert to curve and click on delete. Now you click one of the first node, then you tilt this a little bit so that you can get the shape. You see this undo, you use it to get the shape that you want. Alright, you move these. Okay, then we've cut away that side. It's as simple as that. We've cut away that side. Then okay, let's come back to the here. Okay, now we'll move your node here as well. Double click the center, convert to curve, delete. Then you use the handle to adjust what you actually want to get. Hope you are following. It's as simple as that. Okay, we got that. This is looking good. So let's move it up a little bit so that we cut that away. Okay, now, and if you want to cut very well, you can zoom in so that you can have a free movement, because I still want to move this a little bit down. that we can actually see what we're doing. And then cut it this way. I think this is fine. Now let me zoom out again so that I'll cut the other part of the ear. Then click on your shape tool again, click on the first node, then tilt it a little bit to go in. Okay, fine. Now we are at this neck. We are at this neck side. So we do the same thing again. Fine, this one is just straightforward. This is just straightforward. Then you do this again to bring this down. Now click on the convert to curve, then delete, and that's what we'll have. Now let's go to the other side, which is the other way around. Now come here. The way we did the first one, let's drag it to this end, then you double click the middle, then go to convert to curve and delete, then click one of the node, then adjust with the handle. Adjust with the handle. The handle will make it to have a very smooth move of this object. That was how we use the handle. Very smooth. Okay, fine. Okay, let's zoom this a little bit. Then around this area, okay, then let's drag it down, then come to the middle, then convert to curve, delete, then use the handle again. Use the handle, move it down a little bit. Now this one is not much. Okay, fine. Then we are moving this down here, then do what again? Convert to curve, then delete, then go back to one of it, click and adjust the handle. Okay, adjust the handle. Okay, fine. We are getting there. Now moving to the bear, moving to that side and double click again, move it to this end, double click the middle, convert to curve, delete, then click one of it, adjust the handle. Adjust the handle so that you can move it back very well so that you can see where you want to crop out. Okay, I think this is fine. But let's just crop it out like this. I think this is fine. Now we're moving to the shoulder. We're moving to the shoulder, and since we have this already, you can just click here. Okay, let me see the way the shoulder looks like so that we will not just guess, oh wow. So we have much of it here. Okay, it's like this. So what we're going to do is that just bring this down, then convert to curve, then delete, then bring this down, then we have it. It's as simple as that. You can just adjust this. Okay, I think the shadow is a little bit, the shoulder is a little bit up around there. Okay, so the same thing. Okay, fine. That's the way to. This is the first method to cut away a background. I know Drake will be happy now, seeing that we are editing his image. I know he doesn't know we're doing this actually. Please don't tell him. Don't tell him we're doing this. Okay, now I can just apply any color. Then you will see that press Ctrl page down to send it back. Then you could see that this is very nice. This is very, very lovely. You can see perfectly shaped. You can apply another color. If you apply another color again, you see, that's how to remove background from any image. Now we are going to the complex one, which is when you want to remove background from like a big hair like this, very not very hair that is low cut like the one of Drake. So you can see. So we want to do this again. Now using the second method, which I love most and which is very fast. Now just click on the image. You can click edit bitmaps. Now if you don't have these, or maybe you want to adjust your Corel Draw to just whereby you just double click and go to edit bitmaps. But I love this method. Just you always sit on the property bar, click edit bitmaps. Now clicking on the edit bitmaps is going to open up, Corel Draw is going to open up Corel Photo Paint for you. We're going to open Corel Photo Paint for you, and we'll have it here. This is what we have here. Now having these, now okay, you go to image cutout lab. Now your cutout lab, tools you are holding presently is to cover up where you want to remove, so you can, if this tool is too small, you can just increase it. Just press shift on your keyboard and drag it up, or press shift and drag it down. But for this purpose, I think I love this size. So just those areas that you want to clear the background, just apply this. Just apply this gradually. You can see those difficult area. Okay, fine. Then click the fill tool and click the fill. Fill it this way. Then click preview. Boom. Then click OK. Now clicking OK, the background has been removed as fast as that. Then you can press Ctrl S to save it. Immediately you save this, or you close, you can close it right away. Then it will be applied on your Corel Draw straight away. So let me just expand this background that we have so that you can see what we're saying. You can see the background has been removed. The background has been removed. Okay, let me undo so that you see that what we'll have first. This is what we'll have first. Okay, let me see. Before going to Corel Photo, this is what we'll have. This is what we'll have before, and this is what we'll have now. This is what we'll have before, white background, and this is what we'll have now. So this has been removed. Now let me do the same thing, applying the same procedure on this beautiful lady. We'll be doing the same thing on this beautiful lady now. So this is what we'll have here, having the blue background, still using the blue background. Now having the blue background here, you can notice that this lady is having white background. So we want to remove that. So what are we going to do? Just go to edit bitmap as usual, like that was the first one. Then Corel Draw will link up with Corel Photo Paint. You may not close it, but if you have closed it, then it will bring it out again. Then just right away go to cutout lab, then cut out those areas. Just apply this to the area that you don't want. No, we don't want these. We don't want all these areas. We want the background to remove all these areas. So then go to the other side, then do the same thing. Those areas that we want to remove the background. Then click on the fill tool. Then preview. Boom! Straight away. Then just click OK. Press Ctrl S, and you have it on your Corel Draw right away. So if you have any question, let me see it on the comment box. Just drop your question on the comment box. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if this is your first time of joining this channel. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification button. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you next time.